Hey guys, my name is Nikunj and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the Noise Airbuds Plus. I got these from Amazon through the Amazon launch day sale for 2000 rupees, and I've been using them all day to listen to music, join calls, watch videos on YouTube, and I actually connected them with my laptop as well to join a Zoom call for my office. So I'll tell you all about my experience, how they performed, and everything in between. But first, let's get into the unboxing and see what we get in the box. Okay, so this is the box that they come in. Fairly small box, really happy with the size of the box. No information on either of the sides. At the back, we just have some basic information like touch controls, 20 hours of total playback, and USB-C, and that's about it. So let's go ahead, open this and see what we have inside the box. So we have a seal here, and that's it. Slides out. We have the buds separately. Let's keep them aside, and here is the charging case. The case is decent in terms of size. We have the USB-C charging point at the back. We have a button, and we have the Noise logo in the front. That's about it. Pretty soft hinge, but yeah, seems okay. Let's put these in while we are looking at the rest of the contents. And okay, apart from the foam, at the bottom we have some paperwork, the warranty card, sort of a user guide, some stickers, and the user manual. Let's keep that aside, and in the accessory box I believe we would have the ear tips, medium and small. No, small and large. The mediums should be already installed. And yep, here we go with the charging cable, USB-A to USB-C white charging cable that we have in here. So let's go ahead and talk more about these. Okay, so we have a small LED at one side, fairly short stem, the connector pins at the bottom along with a mic, and that's about it. I don't see any other mic on here, so just the one mic at the bottom. The silicone tips are pretty soft, should fit easily in the ear, and fairly strong magnets. They're not coming out anytime. The hinge, for some particular reason, is not very satisfying. You don't really have a snap when you close it. Very soft when it comes to closing it, but doesn't really open without using your fingers, so that's a good thing. First, starting with the design, I'm really happy with the design of the case. Kind of looks like the Apple Airpods Pro, the case that we have for that. We have the USB Type-C charging port at the bottom, button to reset them or to pair them with different devices at the back, along with a small LED, and at the front we just have the Noise logo. It's made with kind of cheap feeling plastic, glossy, so you would be able to see scratches on this really easily. The hinge is kind of soft. When you close it, it's not really satisfying, if you could hear that. And talking about the earbuds themselves, they have really short stems, and these are in-ear style, so they fit right in your ear canal, and they look pretty nice. And even the design of the earbuds themselves, I believe, has been kind of ripped off from the Apple AirPods Pro. So overall, the fit is decent. They don't really slip out of your ear, but the feel of these earbuds in your ear is not very satisfactory, to be very honest. Because of the design of the tip of the earbud, it kind of feels as if it's not securely in your ear, even though it's not going to come out even if you jump or you do anything else. But it kind of gives you the feeling that, they are slipping out of your ear, which is, in my mind, I did not find that very comfortable. Talking about the sound quality, they are out of the box pretty flat, to be honest. There's good separation between the mids and the highs. The vocals are pretty crisp, so you would be able to listen to any music that has a lot of vocals. You'd be able to listen to the vocals very easily. If you're watching videos or you're watching a movie, you would be able to listen to the dialogue very easily and understand the dialogue even if there is some background music that's playing. So that's pretty neat. As I mentioned, the separation between the highs and the mids is pretty decent, so you'd be able to identify each and every instrument that you're listening to or whichever it's playing in the music. But the bass is where it's lacking. So if you're listening to music which has a lot of bass, you're not going to be able to enjoy that, because even after tweaking the equalizer settings, I was not able to feel or hear the bass, properly. They do get fairly loud at, really high volume. If you're listening to music around 70, 90, or even 100%, they do get very, very loud. So that's pretty neat. Talking about the call quality was really, really nice with these. So if you want to buy these just for the call quality itself, then yeah, definitely go ahead and buy them. The sound was very clear. The other person that I was speaking to was able to listen to me very easily. Even on Zoom calls, they performed really, really well. There was no disturbance whatsoever, and everyone that I was listening to in that meeting was able to hear me loud and clear. So there's no problem whatsoever when it comes to the call quality as such. But yeah, they do not have any active noise cancellation or any ENC, that's environmental noise cancellation. So keep that in mind. I believe for a price point of about 2,500, which they are going to retail at, they could have given at least ENC in them. Some options at that price point do have it, but these do not. So yeah, keep that in mind. Talking about the durability, these are IPX4 water resistant. So normal amount of sweat is not going to cause any problems with these. So you can definitely wear them while you're running or while you're in the gym. So yeah, that's definitely something that they are good for. But again, normally people like to listen to music with some bass when they're working out. This does lack in that department. So that's that. In terms of the touch controls, these are definitely one of the best that I've tried so far. The earlobes at the top of the earbud, these are touch sensitive. These have the touch controls in them. One tap on the right would increase the volume a step. One tap on the left would decrease the volume. Double tap is for playing and pausing your media, whether it be music or it be any video that you're watching. And triple tap is for your assistant. Long press on the right, it would skip the track or skip to the next track. Long press on the left, and it would bring you to the previous track. Now, talking about the ease of connectivity, yeah, that's definitely there. You have the reset button at the back, so you can easily use them to connect to other devices without having to disconnect from one device which these are already connected to. And as soon as you open the lid, they automatically get connected to whatever device you've paired them to. So the overall sync or overall connectivity is really fast. It's really smooth. And even if you leave your phone and you walk away to a certain distance, I did not notice any drop in between. So these are rated for Bluetooth 5.0, or they do support Bluetooth 5.0. There are other options in the market now which do support 5.1 or Bluetooth 5.2, but these do not. Again, kind of a miss there. But yeah, overall, pretty decent connectivity, pretty decent range. So you can definitely, just leave your phone and walk away. Not very far off, just in the vicinity, and you'll be perfectly fine. So to summarize, decent design, decent fit and finish. The audio quality is average at best. You would be able to enjoy the music that you're listening to, but if you're looking out for bass, it's not there. In terms of the battery backup, these are rated for 20 hours of total playback time, and I was able to get about 3.5 hours using the earbuds before I had to put them in the case to charge them. The case itself has about 350 mAh in terms of the battery capacity, so you would be able to charge these at least 4 to 5 times easily. So if you're a casual user, not a heavy user, you should be able to get through a couple of days with these. If you're a heavy user, probably 1 day before you have to charge the case again, or maybe 2. That all depends on your usage. So yeah, one more thing. In terms of gaming, there is some latency. So if you're playing first-party shooters like Call of Duty or PUBG, you may experience some lag there. So if you're just playing for fun, definitely go ahead. But yeah, these are not designed for competitive gaming. In terms of call quality, these are definitely exceptional. I did not face any issues with it. The overall call quality was absolutely amazing. So again, if that's something that you want to buy these for, definitely go ahead. And at the end, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you've tested these out, what was your experience? If you want to buy them, you have any questions, post them in the comment section below, and I'll try my level best to answer them. Drop a like on the video if you like the content, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, take care of yourselves.